Today's Home and Lifestyle TV Luxury Home segment features a truly one-of-a-kind living experience right here in the Southlake, Westlake, Colleyville area, the Bluffs of Colleyville.
One of the things I wanted to do on this process is to really do the best of the best. The stonework, the trees, the landscaping, everything. We wanted to make it the best in Colleyville.
9 unique luxury estate views cascade down one of the highest points in DFW, offering a tailored vantage point and view of the famous painted Texas skies.
The view in Colleyville, I've never seen a Colleyville view like this. This is what draws me to this lot. It is extraordinary that the people that have been in their houses in Colleyville for 2 decades are looking to move from where they are to come over here.
The Bluffs of Colleyville offer a blank canvas for those seeking a heavily wooded creekside luxury living experience, or a breathtaking hilltop view of the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area.
We have a huge amount of influx from across the country. So we have a lot of people moving into the area that have a different vision of what they would like for a home. And this is going to give an opportunity for them to build just about anything that they would like.
Just to be able to have the beauty of the rolling hills, the views, the sunrises with the sunsets.
Every single lot, there's only 9 of them, is sitting on a little over an acre.
And this is going to be the next paradise place.
One of the reasons I was inspired to do the Bluffs of Colleyville, it was such a unique property. You can individually go and click and look at each individual lot. Each lot is named, it has a view, and it tells you everything about each lot. So we hope that the real estate community and the professionals around and the builders will embrace this, and a very good opportunity for customers across the country to come in and see the subdivision as it's being finished out and ready to start selling lots.
For your private tour of the Bluffs of Colleyville, call Mark Goodwin or walk the estate lots virtually at bluffscolleyville.com. Thanks for watching Home and Lifestyle TV.